Setup instructions. Step 1. Place the base in the desired location. Step 2. Unroll the TensorFlex, place it over the base according to the guide points. Attach the TensorFlex to the base by joining the Velcro lines and let loose one of the edges. Step 3. Attach the shelves on the Velcro lines on the TensorFlex. Make sure to match the guide points. Close and adjust the TensorFlex. Step 4. Place the top by pressing the Velcro surfaces against each other. Step 5. Door installation. Separate the TensorFlex from the shelves and base. Place the door on the corresponding space. Open the door and press the Velcro against the TensorFlex frame. Step 6. Make sure each of the elements is perfectly positioned according to the guide points. Your Solo Quattro is ready. Add a premium graphic to personalize your display. To store it, follow the procedure backward and use its original packaging.